It's the interior video. You can tell everything is just brand new. All the rubber, all the chrome and stainless pieces are just beautiful. I don't know whether they're original or reproduction. They kind of look original to me. All the rubber. Here's your VIN tag. You can see the detail quality. Just everything is just really in gorgeous condition. Everything's done or new. Nothing's worn out. All the stainless. Just beautiful. The odometer was zeroed out when the car was restored. The color coming out on the blue to me through the camera is brighter than what it really is. So make sure you look at the pictures to get a really accurate idea. Really cool little Chevrolet aftermarket AM/FM cassette, air conditioning, floor mats, carpet, all brand new, seats, gorgeous shape. Headliner. Really pretty interior.